All right, this is the Mystery Tackle Box June 2020 multi-species box. And I'm down here in Texas, so I believe they curate these by region, so that would probably be southern region. So let's go ahead and go through what we got here. So as usual, we have a sticker. We have the dibble, which is kind of like a, you get one of these every month that kind of has some tips and tricks and kind of goes over some of the, potentially some of the, the stuff that's in the box. So first thing we have here is Euro Tackle Micro Finesse Stonefly, 1.2 inch. And so I don't know if you can see these very well. Let me pull it up here a little bit. They kind of look like almost like a, I don't know, like a grasshopper or something like that. So it's interesting. This is a wave bait, so this is kind of like a soft plastic bait. And then this is cool. They have a little bit of guide here on the back on kind of how to fish these. So that's kind of cool. A lot of times, you'll get these and they don't really give you a good indication of how to fish these. And this looks like it's actually the 214 area code would be Dallas, so it looks like this is actually a local bait to me here in Texas, so that's cool. Some sticky hooks. And typically, I believe they try to pair the hooks kind of with what's here, so these would probably pair with the soft bait there. Here's some lip rippers. These are like a floating bait. I guess they kind of represent kind of like a tadpole and a chartreuse shine. Sorry about that. And this is kind of listed here for trout, crappie, bass, and steelhead. So that might be fun. Might try that out here in the pond. And then this is a Carl's Amazing Bait spark plug. I've heard a couple people down here in Texas have been saying they've been having really good luck catching stuff on like bubblegum colored and pink type things. This one dives 1 to 4 feet, so that might be a good one to give a whirl. This is a Hard Hats Jig Diesel football jig. Not a whole lot special about that, but again, a lot of people catching fish down here in the south on jigs as well. And then last but certainly not least, there's a Weston, and these are the Magic Minnow. And this one you can probably see it, maybe you can't. There's already a hook in this one, and this is just kind of a spare body that goes on here, so that's cool. And then that is it for June for the multi-species box. So if you want to recount that, there's a crankbait, kind of a shallow crankbait, kind of a floating bait, some hooks, some soft plastic worms, some finesse setup. Don't know a whole lot about those. Don't fish those a whole lot. Then a jig, and then I guess this would be a swim bait, I guess. Trying to look on here to see if it gave us any sort of it's got an ultra wide gap hook. Weedless design, can be fished super slow to super fast, casting and jigging. So there you go. I don't have any more info than that. And then the sticker. So cool little box here for the month of June. Can't wait to try this stuff out.